In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any video from any website on Google. Before we begin, a quick reminder, only download videos you own or have clear permission to save. Many sites prohibit downloads or use protection like DRM, and you should always follow the site's terms and the law. Start by opening Google Chrome and clicking into the address bar at the top of your browser. This is where you'll type what you need to find. Type Chrome Web Store and press Enter. In the results, open the official Chrome Web Store page from Google. This is where you can safely find and install extensions. Once you're in the store, use the search bar in the top left to look for Video Downloader. You'll see a list of extensions that claim to detect and save videos. Take a moment to compare options, check ratings, recent reviews, the number of users, and the permissions each extension requests. Avoid anything that looks suspicious or asks for unnecessary access to your data. Select a video downloader you trust to open its detail page. Read the description to understand what types of videos it supports. Many legitimate extensions can only detect publicly available files and won't work on sites that block downloads or use encrypted streaming. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by choosing Add Extension. Chrome will install it and show you a confirmation. If you ever change your mind, you can remove it later from the extensions menu. Next, go to the tab that has the video you're allowed to download. Let the page fully load, and if needed, start playing the video for a few seconds so the extension can detect the stream. Now click the extensions icon at the top right of Chrome. If you want quick access, you can pin the new downloader so it's always visible on your toolbar. Open the Video Downloader extension. It should list one or more detected video files or quality options. If you don't see anything, the site may not allow downloads or might be using DRM. In that case, use the site's official download option if available. Choose the video entry you want, then click Download, pick a folder on your computer, and wait for the file to finish saving. When it's done, you can rename the file, verify the quality, and store it in an organized location for your personal use where permitted. That's it. Install a trusted extension, open your video, use the extension to detect it, and download responsibly. Always respect creators, licenses, and website policies.